not just stopping at the handheld chainsaw that knocked down giant logs in the previous episode. Now get ready to step into the world of challenging animal transport and overwhelmingly powerful heavy machinery. The opening was a spectacular performance with two giant machines, Liebherr 956 and 945. The powerful engines roared, the cranes worked continuously, demolishing each concrete section of the bridge on the D1 highway, creating a scene that was both dramatic and spectacular. Leave the number 1 in the comments section if you want to join me until the end of this journey. Next is a surprising and dramatic situation. An overturned excavator is being recovered by another excavator. The engine roars loudly. The hydraulic arm works decisively, creating a scene that is both tense and breathtakingly attractive. Oh no, this scene was so dramatic. A serious accident occurred when a CPO oil tanker ran out of gas on a steep slope. The engine roared weakly and then stopped, causing the vehicle to suddenly flip over in the middle of the road. The tank burst open, oil spilled all over the road, creating a chaotic and dangerous scene.
Ay, tolong supir. Iya, CPO-nya habis. Yang sebelah kiri udah luar. Bambu koplingnya lepas.
Continuing the strategic journey, the powerful T908 tractor roars on every long journey, transporting livestock with high precision. The modern cooling and ventilation system helps ensure the health of livestock, affirming sustainable economic value for the entire supply chain. Soon after, the John Deere tractor, Swaraj 744 FE and JCB Poklin excavator were washed with cool river water. The engines were still warm after work. The sound of water pouring over the machine body created a rustic scene, but full of mechanical vitality. In Melanese, a concrete mixer truck overturned, creating a tense scene. Immediately, heavy rescue machines were mobilized. The engine roared, the cable was stretched to the limit, lifting the truck in a spectacular rescue. An ideal choice for heavy-duty construction, Tochang tractors demonstrate their durability and stability. In the dramatic racing video, the new Ace is tested head-to-head against John Deere. The engine roars, the wheels plow the dirt, creating a breathtaking and eye-catching tug-of-war. Not stopping there, the mechanical battle continues with a fierce confrontation between two agricultural war horses, Swaraj and Mahindra. The engines roar, the wheels dig deep into the ground. Both machines fiercely tug at each other in a breathtaking and eye-catching power competition. If you are impressed with these machines, don't hesitate to leave comment number 1. It was impossible to take your eyes off the spectacular sight. The giant water tower at Seine-et-Marne was destroyed in an instant. In video number 5, you have witnessed the dramatic machine that comes to this video that will surprise you. In the challenging scene, heavy machines such as John Deere, Claas Axion, and Cat MT765 are stuck deep in thick mud. The engine roars, the tracks spin as the John Deere is mobilized to pull it up, creating a tense and dramatic mechanical rescue. In the middle of the freezing winter, the old DT75 tractor was started after many years of dormancy. The engine vibrated heavily. White smoke rose from the exhaust pipe, signaling that the legendary machine was gradually returning to life in the cold snow. The harsh winter scene begins with the impressive appearance of the Kiravet's K739 ST, one of the largest tractors in the world. Equipped with a front-mounted snow cutter, the machine roars across the white-covered fields, clearing the runway with incredible mechanical power. no, a dramatic accident happened in Arica when an excavator suddenly lost balance and overturned in the middle of the construction site. At the Soteriatis quarry, a Caterpillar 6015B heavy excavator is operating with great power. The powerful engine roars. The giant bucket continuously digs deep into the ground, moving each large block of rock with impressive precision and efficiency. Leave number 1 in the comments section if you love this journey. Wow. Dramatic scene as the powerful Liebherr 974 excavator dismantles the oil tank. Each precise dig is like a powerful blow, causing the tank to shatter into pieces, creating a resounding noise. The sheer power of the machine brings an impressive and breathtaking demolition. When mechanical power speaks, nothing can stand. In Takadert Nabadu, the sight of a house being completely destroyed by the power of a cat excavator left everyone stunned. The engine roared. The hydraulic arm swung down decisively. Each wall collapsed in an instant, full of power. This is the exact way to lift the Sumitomo crane onto the Telelair truck carrying heavy equipment. The hydraulic crane operates synchronously. The engine roars steadily. Each operation is calculated with absolute precision, ensuring safety and efficiency in transporting oversized objects. Leave comment number 1 if you want to join the exciting journeys in the next episodes. In the previous video, you were treated to some spectacular log pulling stunts on some of the dirtiest and most challenging roads. But this time, the action is even more intense. Get ready to enter the world of extreme transport, where every turn is an adrenaline rush. The accident occurred when the Kobelco excavator was overloaded, causing the engine to operate at excessive capacity. Despite being equipped with advanced technology and powerful horsepower, this incident caused the machine to lose control, causing damage and affecting work progress. Don't forget to leave comment number 1 and follow the channel so you don't miss the breathtaking incidents and dramatic handling ahead. Next up, with the Vermeer RTX 750 combined with rock wheel, this machine demonstrates superior power in digging trenches on complex terrains. Powerful engine and high-speed rotating cutting blade allow for fast, precise construction, optimal for electrical, water, and telecommunications projects. Following the Manitou tractor overturning, 2 MTZs struggled to pull it up amid the roar of engines and skidding tires on the wet ground. The scene was tense and suffocating, as every inch of movement determined the success or failure of this rescue. This is followed by a dramatic scene of pulling an overturned truck as the tractor roars across the slippery snow. The engine roars as it struggles to gain every inch of road, creating a thrilling and satisfying scene in the freezing winter air. Exploding in the moment of demolition, the Doosan 340 stretched out its steel arms to knock down each piece of concrete with powerful crushing force. The powerful engine roared, controlling the demolition bucket with high precision, turning the entire building into rubble in just a moment. The crawler tractor transporter is designed to be sturdy with a heavy-duty floor and a powerful hydraulic system. The durable engine makes it easy to move machines weighing tens of tons, ensuring safety and stability on all terrains, including steep or rough roads. Leave comment number 1 if you are also impressed with the power of this machine. This is a shot of a dump truck carrying ore, lifting its load in the pouring rain, creating a moment that is both thrilling and exciting. The giant vehicle teeters on slippery ground, its engine roaring as it tries to maintain its balance for each breathless second. in Arroyo Siesteros, a truck suddenly caught fire, flames shooting fiercely from the engine compartment, burning the front of the vehicle in an instant. Behind, logs stacked on the truck bed also caught fire, creating a chaotic and dramatic scene amid billowing smoke.
Quemar toda la carga del camión. Es una lucha entre qué se enciende. El camionero desistió y se bajó.
In the cold northern NAO region, the DT-75 tractor diligently pulls logs through the thick snow. The diesel engine roars in the white space. The tracks grip the slippery ground. Each heavy log is pulled through the harsh and powerful landscape. Wow, the silo demolition was a spectacular sight as the heavy machinery roared, accurately attacking the base of the structure. Each piece of concrete collapsed with the roar of the engine, creating a spectacular and unforgettable moment of collapse.
Oh no!
In video number 5, you witness the impressive power of giant machines. This time, the experience is even more unforgettable when the old Iranian Kenworth roars, towing 575 tons of cargo, rolling slowly but powerfully on every challenging meter of road. Leave comment number 1 if you want to discover more machines that break all limits. In the middle of the dense forest, the T-40 tractor roars loudly, diligently pulling 20 cubic meters of heavy wood. The durable engine works tirelessly. The wheels sink deep into the mud, overcoming rough terrain to complete the challenging work in the wild. The Loco 1 locomotive, based on the Ural Next platform, has a powerful and durable engine. Modern design combined with advanced technology helps the locomotive operate stably, overcome all terrain challenges, ensuring optimal performance on every journey. The TT4 tractor is operating at full capacity, the engine roaring loudly with each stroke of pulling wood. The machine's durability and precision are shown through each meter of wood moved, creating a passionate image in the middle of wild nature. The demolition of the building is in full swing, highlighted by the scene of an excavator demolishing a high-rise wall. The heavy machinery operates with impressive precision, each piece of concrete collapsing with a loud rumble, creating a scene that is both violent and orderly. Witnessing the true power of the Tesmec 1375 in action is an impressive experience. The bucket wheels spin smoothly. The engine roars loudly. Each powerful cut cuts deep into the ground, keeping the surrounding surface almost undisturbed. Excavators hoist buckets of blazing coal onto dump trucks, engines roaring, hot air rising from the coal pile. A powerful, powerful sight of work in harsh conditions. The atmosphere was tense to the point of suffocation, as all eyes were on the mighty excavator struggling to pull the overturned excavator. Each passing second felt like a harsh test, but when the excavator was finally pulled up, there was a sense of relief. The giant JD 1050J crushing pickups bulldozer, with its powerful engine and impressive horsepower, roars as it crushes old cars at the scrapyard. The sturdy tracks and the immense pressure of the machine create an impressive scene of destruction, turning the cars into piles of scrap metal. Leave comment number 1 if you are fascinated by this exciting journey, and continue to follow the next journeys so you don't miss out. This is the way of dusty and harsh open-pit mining. The old EO 5111B excavator roars with its engine, smoke billowing as it loads earth and rocks onto the low-bed truck. A nostalgic yet powerful scene, evoking the raw beauty of the old worksite. The powerful ATEK 4321 excavator dives into the task, its engine roaring with strength. The bucket arm moves swiftly, lifting and dumping loads of earth into the transport truck. A fast-paced, energetic scene, showcasing precision and efficiency in every move.
Switches.
You definitely won't be able to take your eyes off this sight. The powerful Caterpillar 988B wheel loader moves massive loads of material with ease. The engine roars, its large wheels thundering across the ground, while the bucket lifts heavy slabs of material. A majestic scene, showcasing the immense power and outstanding efficiency of this giant machine. The journey of transporting the mighty Caterpillar 375 excavator is truly impressive. The engine roars, each large wheel rolling steadily across the ground as the excavator moves with controlled speed. A spectacular sight as the giant machine conquers tough terrain, showcasing its superior power. Drop a comment with number 1 and let's continue following this exciting journey. The Mercedes Axor 3340 roars down the road, its engine thundering as it hauls massive logs. The incredible power of this machine is on full display, effortlessly handling heavy loads, moving giant timber with ease, creating a bold and unforgettable sight. Drop a comment with a number 1 if you're just as impressed by this beast of a machine. It's hard to believe the power of modern technology. The largest chipper roars to life, crushing massive logs with its 900 horsepower engine. Weighing in at 57,320 pounds, this machine can shred wood with a diameter of up to 900 millimeters, with a capacity of up to 250 cubic meters per hour. The sight of wood being pulverized into pieces creates a scene of raw power and sheer impact. Have you ever seen a machine cut wood this fast? The Valtra N154E, paired with the Palfinger C60F86 crane and Nisla 325H cutting head, puts on an impressive display. The engine roars and each tree falls neatly, showcasing both incredible power and precision. Breathtaking. Amid the thick smoke, flames erupt from the logging tractor, intensifying the tension in the air. The fire brigade swiftly moves in, taking decisive action to control the blaze. The Cat machine demolishes the house with determination and power. The engine roars loudly as the crane smashes through the walls, dust swirling in the air. A chaotic yet impressive scene showcasing the machine's astonishing strength and precision. At the Biros Marble Quarry, two massive machines, the Caterpillar 992D and Komatsu WA 900, are running at full power. The engines roar, echoing off the Rocky Mountains as the buckets lift heavy blocks of marble. A grand, powerful, and impressive sight amidst the majestic natural landscape. Now let's witness the dramatic moment as a truck tries to pull the Colt diesel canter that just fell into a ditch. The engine roars. The tow cable stretches tight. Wheels spin furiously. Both machines wrestle through the mud in a breathless rescue effort. Sometimes, placing a counterweight at the front of the tractor becomes useless. When the overload is too severe, the front end lifts completely off the ground, with the front wheels hanging in midair. The engine roars, but the machine struggles in vain, creating a scene full of tension and raw drama. Have you ever seen soil mixing technology this impressive? The cutter soil mix system powers through with a cutting head, featuring 2 rotating wheels. Cement slurry is precisely injected between them, forming a uniform mixture that allows the cutting head to effortlessly sink deep into the ground. An incredibly intense concrete truck rescue. The tractor roars, the cable stretches to its limit, and the wheels spin wildly in the mud. The entire machine shakes violently, inch by inch, pulling the heavy concrete truck out of the muck. A truly breathtaking scene. The Scania 143 6x4 V8 logging truck is in trouble. Its wheels spin helplessly, stuck deep in the mud. That's when the Fendt tractor kicks into full power, pulling with force and determination, inch by inch rescuing the truck from danger. Truly impressive. The powerful crane hoists the Bobcat as its engine roars, tearing through the building. Equipped with a winch, the crane flexibly lifts and lowers the Bobcat A excavator, creating a majestic, dramatic scene as chunks of the building collapse under the might of the machinery. Let's witness cutting-edge technology in the construction industry. The Demarec RC30 rail cutter operates with powerful force, its engine roaring as it slices through tough rail systems. Specially designed for controlled demolition, the machine effortlessly dismantles rails and prepares scrap for railway projects. Not stopping at the handheld chainsaw in the previous episode that brought down giant trees. Now, the performance continues with dramatic sharp turns that make viewers' hearts skip a beat. The opening scene is a dramatic driving scene when the Lyoka T16 tractor tries to cross a deep ditch. The engine roars with horsepower. The wheels skid and suddenly flip over in a split second, creating a breathtaking moment full of suspense and impression. Leave the number 1 in the comments section if you want to join me until the end of this journey. Next up is the powerful demolition by the Menk M152 grab bucket cable excavator. Roaring loudly across the construction site, the machine slowly approaches the towering factory chimney. Each precise and decisive grab causes the entire structure to collapse in a spectacular display. Here is the breathtaking scene of a 154,000-pound dump truck stuck deep in the mud. The D10 bulldozer roared with power. The crawler tracks crunched the ground, and each powerful pull freed the dump truck, creating a powerful and dramatic combination. Witness the challenging scene of pulling the Kraz stuck in the muddy terrain. The engine roars with horsepower. The tow rope is tight. The wheels spin wildly in the mud. Each pull is a battle of strength, creating a breathtaking and intense scene at every moment. At another location nearby, the K701 was submerged deep in mud, up to the chassis. The powerful engine roared loudly, the wheels churning in the thick mud. The scene was both dramatic and impressive, demonstrating the power of the machine in the fierce tug of war. Next is the breathtaking scene when the giant bulldozer is stuck deep in the thick mud and is being rescued bit by bit. The powerful engine roars, the rope is stretched to its maximum. The crawler struggles to grip the ground, creating a dramatic and intense rescue scene. If you are interested in this journey, don't forget to leave the number 1 in the comment section. A perfect choice for heavy-duty construction, the Mega MES 34 dredger roars with horsepower. The powerful engine operates stably. The flexible crane handles materials precisely, creating outstanding performance and incredible power on any terrain. The tractor fiercely crossed the fast-flowing streams with overwhelming power. The engine roared. The wheels gripped the wet rocks, creating a heroic and energetic scene, showing the resilience to conquer all challenges. The legendary Kirovtsi K700, K701, and MTZ-1221 tractors roar with power, powerfully breaking through thick layers of snow. Durable engines firmly gripping wheels. Each machine is like a steel warrior conquering the harsh winter with outstanding strength and resilience. In video number 5, you saw the K701 roaring fiercely on the snow. In this video, The DET 250 and PUM 500 tractors continue their work, clearing thick snow with superior power and durable horsepower engines, creating an impressive performance. Immediately after, Kirovets and T4 roared with power, moving the giant house over the rough terrain. Endurance combined with exquisite technique, each movement was sure, creating an impressive and powerful scene, making it impossible for viewers to take their eyes off.
Ага. Чё? Тарёга не сдаёт.
In the harsh cold, on the bumpy trail, the TDT-55 roars with power, dragging giant logs. The durable engine and strong pulling power help the machine overcome all challenges, creating a powerful and resilient scene. If you are impressed with these machines, don't hesitate to leave comment number 1. In the majestic Urals, the jaws roars with power. Each log weighing an average of 22 cubic meters is carefully stacked on the vehicle. The powerful engine and precise operating system create a powerful and efficient transportation scene.
Хорош уже, назад. Туда заехать, нам вот сразу взад. Давай, звони.
Continuing the journey, the CAT 390D long front, with its 30-meter boom roars with horsepower, flexibly dismantling each piece of sturdy structure in complex areas. Powerful engines and sophisticated engineering combine to create a powerful and precise performance, the pinnacle of demolition work. Right before our eyes, the Caterpillar 349E from Kohler R roars with horsepower, excavating and removing a large concrete foundation from a deep excavation. The powerful engine and flexible crane help it lift and lower the giant stone with precision and power, making the scene even more impressive. Next up is the demolition of the I Vincenz Pilotti boarding school, where construction machines roar with power, each precise blow shattering the old structure. Power and technique combine perfectly, creating an impressive and majestic scene. Don't miss the eye-catching scene when the KMC 603-36F work together perfectly, roaring with horsepower, lifting a giant concrete block together. Absolute power and precision create a powerful and majestic performance on the construction site. On the Paradeplatz Zurich construction site, the demolition machines roar with horsepower, each precise blow breaking the thick, sturdy road layer. Powerful engines combined with sophisticated techniques create a powerful and professional demolition scene in the heart of the city. Leave the number 1 in the comments section if you love this journey.
Seated by my side, the horse was lean and lank. Misfortune seemed his lot. We got into a drifted bike, and then we got upside. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle.
Oh, flipping the Timberjack 1110 back onto its wheels requires a perfect blend of experience and skill. The operator must understand balance points, control the winch accurately, and assess terrain stability. This is not a challenge for those lacking patience or the ability to handle heavy machinery. Oh my God. The Doosan MT41 truck suddenly flips over while transporting materials, creating a scene of chaos. The HL780-9 excavator rushes to the area, adding even more tension to the already dangerous situation. Everything erupts, reflecting the constant danger in construction sites. The convoy transporting oversized equipment moves through a narrow road, led by the Mercedes Actros, with an exceptional convoy sign. Its massive motion grabs the attention of everyone nearby, creating urgency in traffic control and adding to the tension and drama in the air.
Elle tourne maintenant, regarde.
Regarde, elle va retourner par là et après elle va...
This timber truck is a titan in the logging world, with a sturdy frame and powerful engine. It easily conquers even the steepest slopes, showcasing unmatched power with every move. Bang! A controlled explosion echoes through the Frontier Diamonds Bellsbank mine in South Africa. Its power hits the space like a punch, making everything around shake. Although the bucket excavator had damaged its metal frame, the AEG electrical system was still working strongly. Together with the Caterpillar D9T bulldozer, the two quickly leveled the area, preparing for the next phase of exploitation. Their strength and resilience were impressive. How do you feel about this machine? Comment below to let us know. The Tisme Traynor T1.660 mining machine is the perfect blend of modern technology and exceptional performance. With its precise rock-cutting ability, the machine reduces operating costs and environmental impact, while boasting high durability and heat resistance, providing maximum efficiency in mining. Next, an international 7600 race faces a tough challenge, but the real enemy is the deep, thick mud. The tractor and truck struggle, but only when two cats and a Kubota combine forces does the truck break free. A dramatic, breathless rescue in the muck. This timber truck struggles across the rugged forest road, swaying between mud, dirt, and gravel. In the wild and treacherous nature, it keeps pushing forward with the immense weight it carries, like a silent warrior in the vast wilderness. This is one way to distribute dry grass, but it's clearly not the best option. Lacking efficiency and precision, this method is just a temporary solution when no better choice is available. This is where the Kamaz 6x6 with the YAM-Z 238 turbocharged engine shines, powering through the deep winter forest with icy, slick roads and deep mud. Despite the heavy load, this beast presses on, sticking to the ground like a mountain goat, unwavering and unstoppable. You won't believe it. A concrete bridge without rebar has stood strong for decades and could last another century. Spornek isn't just a structure, it's a masterpiece that defies time. Now we're not demolishing it, but saying goodbye to a legend.
Das war's.
The Valtra T170, paired with the Heizo-Hack HM10800, shows its immense power while clearing felled gorse at an English heritage site. Alongside the Valtra T131, they quickly cut and transfer debris to the trailer, recycling it into biomass, delivering exceptional productivity and impressive work efficiency. The DT-11 is nearly swallowed up by the muck and cold snow, a true nightmare for any operator. Yet, with its roaring 217-kilowatt mighty engine, it breaks through like a beast rising from the earth.
Одним словом, четра.
The John Deere 903K combine at Quetico showcases extraordinary power and incredible durability. With its ability to operate steadily on complex terrain, this machine delivers high harvest efficiency, meeting the demands of harsh working conditions. As it moves toward Ararat, it feels like a piece of industrial history is coming alive in the modern age. The massive steel block, the roar of the engine, and the wheels still turning smoothly create a scene that leaves anyone witnessing it in awe. Wow. This John Deere wood transport machine powers through muddy, rugged terrain, pulling a heavy load behind. Despite soft, obstacle-filled land, it continues pushing forward relentlessly, like a steel warrior in the deep forest, strong, stubborn, and unyielding. More than 62.14 miles in 8 days, these massive transport vehicles move parts of an oil refinery with fierce power and precision engineering. This isn't just transportation. It's a stunning display of horsepower and strategy, intense and breathtaking. The 661-ton derrick crane suddenly collapsed, shaking the construction site and enveloping it in dust. Workers rushed to escape and rescue teams quickly arrived. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the importance of safety in operating heavy machinery. This isn't just a test, it's a display of ultimate power. Everything is crushed to pieces in mere seconds, leaving a suffocating, unforgettable impression. Transporting a transformer through Feheim is nothing short of a moving technical marvel. Moving an 800-ton giant through the city isn't just a task. It's a ballet of logistics, where power, precision, and meticulous planning come together in perfect harmony. After the eye-catching performance of the heavy excavators in the previous episode, today, the stage belongs to the forestry monsters, knocking down and pulling giant logs with no effort. In a fierce storm, a large tree fell down, and a powerful chainsaw was put to work. With a powerful engine, the sharp saw blade quickly penetrated the hard tree trunk, demonstrating its superior power and incredible efficiency. If you are also eager to follow until the end, leave your number 1 in the comments section and join me on this journey. The Deere machine with quick-release stump bucket works powerfully, the horsepower engine roaring as it lifts and transports huge stumps. Each precise, decisive movement demonstrates superior strength and incredible efficiency in harsh terrain. Moving on to another setup, the rig system uses the MA 35:1 mechanical advantage to pull up large trees with ease. Even more amazing, all the pulling power is provided by a compact tractor with only 18 horsepower, a testament to optimal performance and superior intelligence.
Natural crotch, that's why you see 2 big pieces in there. Drop me an email, and when the time comes, I'll contact you and we can talk.
Here's a demonstration of Terex Forestry's horsepower, a roaring machine that can mow down trees and shrubs in the blink of an eye. It cleans efficiently, preserves the soil structure, and intelligently returns nutrients to nature. Not stopping there, the 35,200-pound Atlas 1304 excavator continued to demonstrate its incredible horsepower. With each decisive pull, it uprooted each stubborn acacia tree from the ground, creating a powerful, precise, and dramatic scene. A perfect choice. The Bell 8000 circular saw wood processor with a 125 horsepower electric motor operates powerfully and smoothly. Each large log is processed quickly and precisely, demonstrating outstanding performance and absolute reliability in industrial processing work. Leave a comment 1 if you are fascinated by these impressive machines.
Wow. Wow.
Back to the Komatsu 941.1 and C144, two powerful forestry machines roaring in the deep forest. The superior horsepower engine handles each large tree trunk quickly and accurately, bringing a powerful and efficient scene in every movement. You will be amazed. The Panguipuli forestry truck roars with power as it carries heavy loads of logs over rugged roads. The powerful engine and flexible drive system help the machine grip the ground firmly, safely transporting through the harshest terrain without faltering. In video number 5, you witnessed an exciting scene. This time, it's a completely new experience. Mben's Actros 3340 is buried in the mud, while the Pangui Pulley forestry truck roars with horsepower, trying to overcome the harsh terrain to rescue it in a dramatic way.
¡La mierda!
It's nerve-wracking. An experienced truck driver unloads a Volvo trailer with a maximum load of 19,000 tons. The powerful engine roars. The body of the truck sways with each movement, creating a breathtaking scene and demonstrating top-notch handling skills.
ID-Night!
Can't take your eyes off. The Polaris 6x6 pickup truck roars with power, conquering all rugged terrain. With six-wheel drive and a powerful engine, this machine rushes forward with power, overcoming mud and rocky slopes, demonstrating outstanding strength and durability in every movement. Leave your number 1 in the comments section if you want to join me on this journey. Be surprised by the powerful trailer, sliding large logs with the Hittner EcoTrack 120-volt slide machine on the Rocky Mountain. The impressive engine and powerful horsepower help the vehicle easily overcome the rugged terrain. The roar of the engine echoes. Outstanding with impressive wood-peeling ability, the MEBORSLH 1200 wood-peeling machine is equipped with a powerful engine and superior horsepower. The sharp saw blade easily peels off hard wood bark. The engine roars like thunder, demonstrating the power and superior efficiency of technology. Get ready to watch. The Valmet 802-4 Turbo roars with power, demonstrating its superior strength on difficult terrain. The smooth-running turbo engine, combined with skillful techniques, creates an impressive, intense, and captivating performance that makes viewers unable to take their eyes off. A perfect choice. The Zedor 16145 Zelma tractor roars with power, powerfully pulling heavy loads over rough terrain. The durable engine, stable operation, and sturdy chassis create superior power, helping to complete all difficult tasks excellently. The experienced driver skillfully unloads the Tata excavator from the truck. The powerful engine of the excavator roars as each step is precise, creating a professional and powerful scene, demonstrating the perfect coordination between man and machine. Curious to see the power of these machines? John Deere 5720 and Bulgaria forklift roar with horsepower, demolishing and dismantling fences quickly and accurately. The perfect combination of power and technology creates a top performance. The Volker R excavator driver roared with power, each precise blow demolishing the Liedergasse house. The powerful engine combined with skillful techniques, turning the old building into rubble in the blink of an eye, creating a fierce and impressive scene. If you are interested in this journey, don't forget to leave number 1 in the comments section. Have you ever witnessed the power of the HD 810 wood chipper? Amid the thunderous noise of the construction site, the machine tackles its job aggressively. The engine roars, sharp blades spin rapidly, shredding large logs into chips quickly, creating a scene that's powerful, intense, and highly efficient. that moment, the Cat 320D excavator arrives, roaring loudly as it tilts its arm and pulls with great force. With perfect teamwork, the excavator overcomes the tough situation and impressively rescues the bulldozer. The powerful excavator cranes each glowing coal bucket onto the dump truck, the engine roaring as hot steam rises from the burning coal pile. It's a strong, intense scene showcasing hard work under harsh conditions. Oh my gosh, the giant roller is stuck in the mud, its wheels spinning wildly but going nowhere. The engine roars in vain as mud splatters all around. It's an unbelievable sight to see such a powerful machine come to a halt in the harsh swamp. At Twickenham, a water pipe burst, sending a powerful geyser of water rushing out, carrying mud and debris along with it. Engines roar as machinery works non-stop, excavators and cranes digging and rushing to repair the damage urgently. Check out the powerful RBS-20 sleeper changer on the 22TRRUNAC. Its engine rumbling as large wheels roll over the rails. This specialized machine replaces railroad ties with precision and speed, creating a scene full of strength and efficiency on the job. A job. The massive M1070 is stuck in thick sand, its wheels spinning helplessly in place. Beside it, the M1000 roars with intensity, engine screaming, tow cables stretched tight as it fights to pull its companion free from the relentless grip of the harsh desert. Amid the thunderous roar of the engine, the Masago machine never rests, its steel bucket slowly digging deep into the hard earth like a giant arm. Each steady rhythm of the construction work creates a scene that's both intense and captivating, rich with industrial power. At the muddy riverside ferry dock, the truck struggles up the slope, its wheels spinning helplessly in the mud.
Vai subir não.
The engine roars, but to no avail. Soon after, a tractor approaches with a loud screech, pulling the truck up the hill, leaving a spray of dirt and echoing engine sounds behind.
Vai não.
Witnessing the true power of the Tesmec 1375 in operation is an impressive experience. The bucket wheels spin steadily, the engine roars fiercely, and each powerful cut slices deep into the earth while keeping the surrounding surface almost undisturbed. The excavator slowly climbs onto the truck bed without any ramp support. The operator skillfully tilts the machine to its maximum angle, maintaining perfect balance. The engine rumbles as the steel frame vibrates, a stunning display of precise and impressive technical skill.
Vai parar aí em cima, é?
The KWW 900 tractor roars to life on rugged terrain, its wheels digging firmly into the ground. In this tough challenge, the driver maneuvers the truck to climb onto the trailer in a daring move, showcasing the power and exceptional driving skill of this giant machine. A dramatic scene unfolds as a tank and a K700 tractor go head-to-head in a powerful tug-of-war. The roar of the engines and the wheels spinning furiously on the ground set the stage for an intense showdown between these two massive machines with incredible pulling power. Imagine a heart-pounding moment as a massive crude oil tanker is hauled up a muddy slope. Mud splatters beneath the tracks, engines roar non-stop, and every meter of movement is a testament to raw mechanical power, both spectacular and precise. Wow, check out the dramatic rocking of the truck as it hauls a container packed with heavy durians. Every jolt pushes the suspension system to its limits, creating a thrilling and impressive display of load-bearing power and mechanical finesse. Oh no. The truck suddenly lost its balance and tipped over while unloading, creating a chaotic and unexpected moment on the shipping yard. The Gazi 66 Chon Kamin 3 puts on a spectacular show as it forges through a fast-flowing river. Water splashes everywhere in a white spray, The wheels grip firmly to the riverbed, and the vehicle powers through the current with strength and determination, showcasing impressive off-road capability. On a rugged forest trail, the powerful Ursus C360 hauls a trailer loaded with massive logs. The engine roars through the wilderness as the wheels roll slowly but steadily, painting a picture of relentless, vibrant labor deep in the heart of the mountains. I'm truly blown away by the power of the D3486 Liebherr LRS 645 Riekstacker. With its long-reaching arm and the ability to lift and lower heavy containers with ease, it moves effortlessly around the port, an impressive display of modern technology in action. The previous episode was the stage of Komatsu PC-71 with impressive handling. Today, the video will open up new perspectives on the fascinating art of controlling animal and heavy transport machines. The opening act is explosive with a confrontation between a powerful Jeep and the legendary C330 Ursus tractor. Wheels spin, engines roar, dust flies. Who will win? Leave your #1 comment below. Next up is the thrilling situation of a stuck gearbox on the MTZ-82, a famous Belarusian tractor. In the middle of a muddy field, all eyes are on the ingenious solution. Will the machine survive this challenge? Back to the topic of livestock transport, a large-scale and challenging activity in modern agriculture. Thanks to advanced technology and efficient logistics systems, millions of animals are safely moved every year. Of these, cows are the largest and most difficult to transport.
I only got there lately, so because all the time I've been out here, I've never really done anything, just show people around.
Yeah, and
Yes, sir.
Immediately afterwards, the K701 V12 engine roared to life, demonstrating its immense power as it pulled a 66,000-pound man truck loaded with metal. An incredible display of traction amid the mud and dust. Continuing the harsh journey, the Belarus tractor and the T40 tractor plunged into the thick, muddy swamp water. The wheels spun, water splashed. The engine roared amid the fierce challenge. The battle of strength was going on without mercy. A thrilling mud race between three giant machines, the rugged T150K, the modern New Holland, and the durable Belarus MTZ-82. Wheels rolling on the ground, mud splashing, engines roaring non-stop. Who will be the superior one? At the Kyrenia site, heavy machinery from Bezim Gazette 63Com began demolishing the old school. The violent impacts, the crumbling concrete, the flying dust, a scene both nostalgic and intense of unstoppable change. In video 3, you witnessed a breathtaking scene. In this video, things are even more dramatic. A sudden collapse of the quarry. The Volvo EC480 immediately took position, roared loudly, and swung its giant bucket of dirt straight into the Belaz 7540, a 66,000-pound dump truck. Mud flew everywhere. The sound of the engine echoed throughout the construction site, signaling the start of the giant collaboration. From the very first moments at the Ritchie Brothers auction, the Hitachi EX400 attracted all eyes with its massive body and powerful engine. The arm swung strongly. Each decisive scoop made the whole area shake. If you are interested in this machine, don't forget to leave comment number 1. With an impressive reach, the Hitachi 220LC stretches its powerful long arms across deep holes, gently scooping up large buckets of dirt. The engine operates smoothly but powerfully, demonstrating flexibility and precision in every movement. A machine not to be underestimated. As soon as the machine approached the deep water, the mud swirled around the bucket. The engine roared steadily. Each scoop was a challenge, demonstrating incredible endurance and ability to conquer harsh terrain. As soon as the engine roared loudly, the K700 roared forward, using all its enormous weight to push the tree roots deep into the ground. The wheels spun, rocks and soil flew. The tree trunk shook violently, a display of power that couldn't be taken off the eyes. A perfect choice for those who love classic beauty. The old Fordson Major spewed thick black smoke, roaring hard in the white snow. The wheels slid lightly on the ice, trying to climb up to the low-slung car in front. A cold scene, but full of steel spirit. The compact yet powerful T16 tractor roars through the mud as it pulls heavy slabs of rock behind it. The wheels spin, rocks fly. Every meter of travel is a display of the incredible durability and pulling power of this classic machine. harsh snowy terrain, the rugged Ural 6x6 embarks on a challenging off-road journey. The giant wheels crush the ice. The engine roars loudly in the snowy forest, a fierce display of power and superior grip. In the middle of the wet and muddy forest, the MTZ-82 with only 4x4 drive system still bravely moves forward. The wheels spin in the deep mud. The engine roars with each beat. Despite the slippery terrain, the machine still persists, showing amazing traction. The John Deere 4630 shivers in preparation for a real cold start. White smoke billows from the exhaust. The engine roars weakly and then gradually becomes stronger. A battle with the harsh weather, a dramatic start to the new day. After a tense moment, the MMZ 554 finally escaped from the situation of being stuck while dumping soil. The engine roared, the wheels spun, dragging a heavy pile of mud. An impressive rescue, showing the power and endurance of this machine. Unbelievable. The ZIL roared down the hill, facing the challenging bumpy and slippery road. But suddenly discovered this was a dead end. Immediately, the driver reversed the car, the rear wheels spinning in the mud, a breathtaking and technical handling. Wow, what an exciting sight as the tractor spins across the soft sand, the wheels swirling wildly in the dust. Behind, the heavily laden truck bed is dragged along dramatically, a display of strength and endurance that will leave viewers unable to take their eyes off. With just the HMK 300 excavator, the entire body of the high-rise building collapsed one by one with a loud rumbling sound. The steel boom arm swung up strongly, smashing each piece of concrete. A spectacular, neat, and surprisingly powerful demolition. If you are fascinated by the power of these machines, don't forget to leave comment number 1. Finally, they continue their journey, this time pulling a giant silo and lifting it onto sturdy supports with a powerful crane. It's the perfect dance between steel and cables. Just one mistake, and the whole operation could collapse. But with the skilled hands of the experts, success was written. The Pacific P16 with a 12-cylinder Detroit engine roars like a lion as it moves through the forest. The journey from the forest to the sawmill isn't just about transporting wood, but protecting each log from damage, ensuring they reach their destination safely for the next processing stage. The Slipner E550 system for 401-565-ton excavators with a speed of 10 kilometers per hour helps minimize undercarriage wear. It's easy to operate and widely used in mining and high-mobility industries. If you're impressed, comment number 1. If not, comment number 2. Do you believe that this giant timber truck is slowly climbing a snowy hill without any acceleration? Despite carrying dozens of heavy logs, the machine moves up steadily, demonstrating extraordinary towing power and superior endurance, overcoming even the harshest challenges. Amazing. This scene looks like a showcase of mechanical strength. The giant truck carrying oversized equipment moves slowly, escorted by police cars and the prominent oversized signs. It's not just transportation. It's a journey that makes a powerful impression with every meter of the road. The Volvo excavator glides through the deep mud with its floating tracks, standing firm like a warrior in the flooded region. The bucket operates smoothly and gracefully, demonstrating remarkable strength and adaptability in harsh construction environments. Explosions during the construction of a hydropower plant cause the ground to shake violently, as if the whole mountain is breathing. However, the temporary dam remains standing, a dramatic miracle proving solid engineering amidst the chaos of mud, earth, and exploding rocks. No competition here. The John Deere shovel, with hundreds of horsepower and hydraulic systems strong enough to lift a 2,500-pound Corolla like a toy. Can the legendary 92 Corolla withstand this final challenge? A modern-day David versus Goliath battle, and you can't look away.
Hazard! Buffalo.
Watch as the excavator pulls the cat out of the swamp like a heavyweight champion, strong, precise, and full of skill. It's not just mechanical power, it's about skill, experience, and a design made to face the harshest challenges. A Siemens heavy transport truck approaches the B1 Stasa roundabout, carrying a giant transformer. Each move is executed as if performing a precise, high-stakes dance. Will this engineering marvel make it through the tight turn without a scratch? The Moore-Bark 4036 drum chipper, combined with a 765 horsepower cat engine, easily shreds mixed trees, including hard branches, showing exceptional power and the ability to handle massive volumes. The Caterpillar D9GC is a powerful bulldozer designed to overcome any challenge. With a large engine and sophisticated hydraulic system, it effortlessly handles tough soil and rock, demonstrating outstanding strength and incredible durability on every mining and construction site. Oh my, it's haunting to see the bulldozer buried deep in the mud, unable to get out on its own. In that moment, its power seems to be tested to the limit, making everything around it feel still and tense. In just a moment, everything is fine, and the next second, everything is completely flipped upside down. The scene is so surprising that you have to look again, wondering if your eyes are deceiving you. Wow. Delivering the world's largest material handling machine is an amazing sight. Pete and the team control this beast like artists, guiding each of its steps. The last two axles move like a high-wire performance, with millions of pounds of steel rolling down the highway. The electric Tatra 380 is buried deep in the sand, a sight that seems hopeless. But then Chernoff appears with the powerful MAN TGA, pulling the beast out of nature's trap. This is the essence of heavy-duty transport: strength, skill, and an indomitable spirit.
Вчера мы на экскаваторе помогали. О, Анатолий Чернов у нас тут в главной роли. Походу придется слазить. Да хорош нахуй!
This machine is so powerful that even John, Steve, Tommy, and Will, with over 300 years of combined experience, are left speechless. It tosses giant tree trunks like matchsticks, showcasing raw power and performance that leaves anyone witnessing it in awe. Would you want to own this machine? If you remember, in the previous episode, we saw the Cat 988B wheel loader, aggressively pushing giant boulders like a toy. But that's just the beginning of this video that will give you goosebumps when witnessing machines crushing all kinds of engines without mercy. Start the journey with the car crushed by a large excavator, just 1 foot away. Completely crushed. Under the power of an engine of more than 500 horsepower, the excavator rushes forward like a steel beast, roaring and crushing every piece of metal without mercy. Don't forget to release first gear immediately, so you don't miss any breathtaking moments behind. Next came the appearance of the John Deere 350 excavator, a steel monster with a powerful engine of more than 270 horsepower. Without hesitation, it slowly lowered its bucket, crushing the small car into a pile of scrap metal, as if crushing a soda can with its bare hands. Here is a demonstration of the Bonfiglioli AutoPress car baler, which boasts a massive 300 horsepower engine. This giant machine crushes cars in the blink of an eye, turning the entire chassis into a neat block of steel in just a few seconds. Not stopping there, the Porsche 912, although a classic sports car, still caused awe when it was run over by the giant wheel. Under the weight of dozens of tons and an engine of over 400 horsepower, the two cars below were crushed at the same time, completely deformed in an instant.
Everybody wants a chunk.
The scrap car removal process begins with a giant crusher with a remarkable power of over 500 horsepower. The old cars are crushed, reduced to sharp pieces of steel, ready for the final journey to the recycling plant, where the metal comes back stronger than ever. Don't hesitate to leave a comment number 1 if you also find this scene fascinating. When the world's most powerful garbage truck, Geesink RCV, took action, everything was reduced to scrap metal. With a huge engine and a pressure plate of up to 35 tons, it easily crushed the Lada like a piece of cardboard, creating an unforgettable scene. In video number 5, you witnessed an interesting mechanical scene. In this video, the CHTZ bulldozer with an engine of more than 850 horsepower continues to take the breath away when it roars through low-lying vehicles, crushing them in a dramatic display. Continuing with the impressive destruction, the giant bulldozer with an engine of more than 900 horsepower is tearing apart a quarry like tearing paper. Each hit, each push creates violent vibrations, turning the solid rock into rubble in just a moment. The demolition of the chimney at the abandoned power plant in Muskegon started impressively with a giant chisel machine sitting atop the towering chimney. With a powerful engine of more than 300 horsepower, it continuously drilled and gnawed into the concrete without hesitation. You have the same question. How did they get that machine up there? Keep watching to discover this incredible thing. The demolition of the Coburg core was a dramatic affair with 2 high-powered excavators, each with over 400 horsepower. Roaring fiercely, they took turns tearing apart concrete and steel, causing the entire structure to collapse in a cloud of dust and a deafening roar. You definitely can't ignore the power of this heavy-duty truck. Drop a one now. The confrontation between the tank and the K700 was as breathtaking as a battle of steel. With an engine of more than 800 horsepower, the K700 roared as it tried to pull back the armored tank, weighing tens of tons. The enormous force collided, creating a relentless tug of war, breathtaking until the last second. The Cat 330CL excavator with an engine of more than 270 horsepower operates strongly, rhythmically scooping up large buckets of dirt and dumping them onto the waiting dump truck. Each powerful swing of the bucket clearly demonstrates the machine's durable strength, creating a fascinating construction scene. Wow. With just a hammer, they were pounding on the silo, creating gaps under their feet. Do you think they could knock it down? And then, with a spectacular bang sound, the silo collapsed in amazement. An unforgettable sight.
Yeah, we looked at that. We're gonna save it.
The tense scene as a Volvo truck gets stuck in deep snow is pulled out by another truck. The engine roars, the cables stretch, and each wheel spins, creating an impressive rescue in the harsh conditions of nature. Oh no. Wichita began to demolish the old Coleman plant, a symbol that had stood tall through the years. With the roar of engines, heavy machinery crushed concrete walls, creating a scene of shaking and regret at the collapse of the past. The Liebherr dumper was perched precariously on the edge of a cliff, on the brink of collapse. In a breathtaking moment, heavy machinery was mobilized, gradually recovering and pulling the vehicle out of danger, creating a heart-stopping scene. Watching the cat bulldozer break ice on the river is truly mesmerizing. The giant steel monster plows through the thick ice, each powerful and precise movement shattering the ice. The mechanical strength and resilience of the machine makes for an impressive sight. You can't look away. Witness the pure power as the Australian Kenworth C509 truck convoy crosses a river. These massive trucks glide through the strong current, showcasing mechanical strength and impressive operational capability in harsh terrain conditions. How do you get past the curb without touching it? A truly skillful excavator operation. With precise movements, the operator uses the flexible bucket to navigate obstacles without affecting the curb, showcasing exceptional skill. If you love these machines, don't forget to leave a comment.
Ебать ту Люсю! Пиздец, блядь.
A dramatic rescue. The overturned truck is salvaged by a heavy-duty crane. The powerful crane lifts the tilted truck out of the muck, with each precise movement leading to a successful rescue amidst the tension, showcasing the incredible strength and accuracy of the machinery. The powerful Scania 112 tattoo truck transports wood across a rough road. With its sturdy design and powerful engine, the truck easily overcomes any obstacle, showcasing durability and exceptional performance in challenging conditions. even imagine it? An incredible sight as a massive Boeing 747 is dismantled piece by piece for scrap using a link belt machine.
It looks like a fish.
The powerful mechanical arm cuts and lifts each section of metal, showcasing the astonishing strength of heavy machinery. The Grand Prairie wood crane of Canfor, once a prominent feature on the Grand Prairie skyline for decades, has now been dismantled. Although no longer present, the crane still leaves a lasting mark on the timber industry and local history. Oh no. An accident occurred while the crane was operating, suddenly losing control. The crane tilted, and a heavy load fell, causing a powerful impact. Next, an utterly surprising sight. The crane was lowering an excavator into a pit when it suddenly tipped over, crashing down forcefully. Both the equipment and the surrounding environment shook, reflecting the dangers and risks involved in operating heavy machinery. Have you ever seen how peat burns? A powerful scene unfolds as the peat trucks spark intensely, with flames erupting fiercely and spreading quickly across each vehicle. Thick black smoke billows, creating a powerful and striking image of the force of natural fuel. A tragic situation unfolds as the pipe-laying machine is performing its task when it suddenly topples over. The entire equipment tilts, and the steel pipes spill out, causing a major disruption in the project. This scene highlights the challenges of operating heavy machinery. What a magnificent sight. The coal truck unloads all its cargo while two workers are diligently working, fastening the load on the truck. The powerful machinery in action, combined with the hard labor, creates a striking moment on the construction site. Though not an easy task, the large concrete mixer truck is hoisted into position at the construction dam. The powerful crane lifts the massive mixer, ready to supply concrete for critical stages, ensuring construction progress and project quality. With its superior off-road capabilities, the Terry 34 is specially designed for efficient wood cutting in challenging conditions. Its compact design and sturdy tracks allow for flexible movement and stable operation on slopes and rough terrain, ensuring high performance in forestry operations. Thanks to its modern and versatile design, the Jar-Crack Evo Pro Lyriker M can efficiently handle logs while moving easily through muddy terrain. Its durable tracked system and flexible grapple arm ensure stable operation even in harsh forestry environments. Another spectacular scene unfolds as the SpaceX Falcon 9 booster glides effortlessly through intersections. Its aerodynamic design and precise control system allow for smooth movement, creating a modern and striking image against the urban backdrop. If you're excited by these scenes, don't hesitate to drop a comment with the number 1. A striking scene in the mining industry as the Mercedes Actros truck hauls the heavy-duty Letourneau L2350 wheel loader, weighing up to 573,200 pounds, to the Atacama mine. This massive piece of mining equipment, along with the Komatsu WE1850, showcases exceptional mechanical power. A dramatic scene captures the moment a heavy-duty truck suddenly slips off a slope. The truck tilts sideways, with its front end hanging precariously over the emergency lane, revealing the hidden dangers and the raw, often uncontrollable power of heavy machinery. Wow, an unbelievable moment as Spencer Fair tries to pull the Ford 8000 tractor despite a broken axle. However, the pull had to be aborted when the tractor's tire suddenly slipped off the edge of the pad, creating a tense and dangerous situation. It's truly spectacular to witness a firefighting scene where intense flames are extinguished in under 3 seconds. The automatic fire suppression system activates at lightning speed, spraying coolant with pinpoint accuracy, showcasing the power and outstanding efficiency of modern technology. Terrifying. A serious accident occurred at the port when a seaboard marine crane was lifting cargo and the cable suddenly snapped. The entire load plummeted with tremendous force, causing a massive shock and highlighting the hidden risks involved in operating heavy machinery.
Se cayó la grúa. Se cayó la grúa, se soltó.
Don't miss this eye-catching sight. Boskalis Cat D7E roaring down the beach near Den Helder. Tracks plowing through wet sand, engine running at full power, layer upon layer of sand being pushed back. A powerful and breathtaking sight in the middle of unspoiled nature. In the previous video, you saw the appearance of the steel monster John Deere 350 excavator. Now get ready to cut down giant logs crashing to the ground in a dramatic and breathtaking scene. Start your journey to conquer the forests in the cold of minus 15 degrees Celsius, working with a powerful chainsaw. Equipped with a 72 cubic centimeter engine, 6.4 horsepower, helping to complete the job effectively in harsh conditions. Don't take your eyes off and remember to leave the number 1 to explore with me until the end of the video. Oh no, the Massey Ferguson 265 is pulling the stump away in an unbelievable way. With a 68 horsepower diesel engine and a weight of 8,717 pounds, the ability to pull this heavy stump is beyond imagination. With a 240 horsepower D240 diesel engine and a weight of 15,432 pounds, the Gay Z66 is a special vehicle, capable of overcoming any difficult terrain. From mud to rough roads, the vehicle always ensures high performance and outstanding durability in harsh conditions. Driving heavy equipment trucks in hazardous conditions requires exceptional skill. With 600 horsepower and a weight of 88,184 pounds, these vehicles require a high level of skill to operate accurately and handle rough terrain. Unbelievable! How much wood can this log truck wheelie carry and still rock like that? Leave a number 1 in the comments if you want to find out how much weight this truck can carry. The CBI 5400 is a powerful wood shredder powered by a 950 horsepower diesel engine. Weighing in at 41,890 pounds, it can process large volumes of wood waste quickly and efficiently. Entering the world of logging, the Senebogen 870M is a powerful, dedicated excavator powered by a 280 horsepower diesel engine. Designed to load logs onto trucks efficiently, it delivers exceptional power, optimizing the log transport process. A true workhorse in the forestry field with a powerful 40 horsepower diesel engine. Weighing in at 8,818 pounds, this tractor easily transports 706.29 cubic feet of logs thanks to its modern winch and shovel system. The T40 performs efficiently in all terrain conditions, meeting the rigorous requirements of forest work. Oh my God. The truck carrying 80 tons of wood was struggling to move through the cracked ice road. Although it had a 500 horsepower engine, the truck still had difficulty with the heavy load. Finally, with the help of another truck, the two of them got through the dangerous road together.
Давай, родная, давай, давай. Молодец. Подтел в рот. О, сила.
In video number 3, you have admired the terrible power of giant machines. And now, Timber Pro TF840D, wood-carrying monster, is officially revealed. With a powerful 230 horsepower engine and a weight of nearly 40,000 pounds, this machine operates flexibly, overcoming difficult terrain with great power. The 550 horsepower, 33,069 pound wood crusher is the perfect solution for large-scale wood processing plants. With the ability to crush all types of hardwood, the machine helps increase productivity, reduce costs, and production time. Equipped with a 755 horsepower engine and weighing 48,509 pounds, the machine is capable of chipping large logs quickly and efficiently. Not only the Woodland Mills WG24, the giant Vermeer stump grinder also stands out with its 275 horsepower diesel engine and a weight of up to 22,046 pounds. With the ability to handle large and tough stumps, the Vermeer stump grinder delivers outstanding performance, saving time and effort. The largest trees are processed by giant wood chipper machines, equipped with powerful 1,000 horsepower diesel engines. Weighing up to tens of tons, these chipper machines are capable of crushing huge tree trunks, turning them into scraps quickly. Leave number 1 in the comments section if you are interested in these machines. Unbelievable. With the LKT-80 equipped with a 160 horsepower engine and weighing about 17,637 pounds. With outstanding power, the machine is capable of pulling up to several tons of wood, meeting all requirements in logging and construction projects. Join me in the world of heavy industry, where a horrific dump truck accident is rescued. The power of a wheel loader and an excavator work together perfectly to recover an overturned dump truck in an emergency situation. Amazing. With impressive lifting power, the two cranes easily move the heavy logs onto the barge, making the transportation quick and efficient. An impressive display of technology and power in the logging industry.
Just been working in the backyard there, fucking all new drainage, fucking...
If you are fascinated by the power of these machines, don't forget to leave comment number 1. In the previous video, we took you through the impressive power of the LKT-81 turbo log hauler in the middle of the jungle. But that was just the beginning. Today, get ready to see the heavy-duty and timber-hauling trucks conquering all terrains. In the tense atmosphere, the D-155B2 bulldozer with its huge horsepower engine rushed into the old building. Each powerful push made the wall shake. If you are impressed by the power of these bulldozers, don't forget to leave comment number 1. A huge amount of wood was being transported down the mountain by a heavy truck, rumbling like thunder in the middle of the wild mountains and forests. The engine roared fiercely. The wheels clenched the steep and slippery road. Each turn seemed to challenge both gravity and danger. The dismantling of the 30-meter-high silo was spectacular. The excavator's steel arm reached high, slamming down on each piece of concrete. The engine roared, dust billowed. In just a few minutes, the giant structure collapsed, creating a breathtaking and eye-catching scene.
There she goes.
Oh no!
There we go.
Because they don't believe it in there. They figure it's
Immediately after, the Tiger Cat X822D lumberjack appeared with overwhelming power. The engine roared, the saw blade spun as fast as lightning, cutting through the tree trunk coldly and precisely. The scene was both fierce and powerful, making everyone amazed. The crane with a powerful 500 horsepower engine slowly lowered the boat into the water, each movement precise and powerful. Suddenly, the cable broke. The boat plunged down in a free fall, creating a loud bang, making everyone terrified. What's going on? A serious accident occurred when the Carlos Albino Grove Terex C crane, while lifting heavy machinery, suddenly had a problem. The crane shook violently, and a loud bang rang out, causing everyone to stop in panic. In video 4, the powerful Tiger Cat X822D woodcutting machine leaves everyone in awe. In this video, the giant Liebherr L566 is suspended on a cable car, creating a spectacular scene at the power plant construction site. The machine's superior strength and durability are evident through its extraordinary lifting capacity, ensuring perfect construction progress. It was a sight to see the Scania being pulled out of the swamp. The engines roared. The cables were taut as if they were about to snap. Mud was flying everywhere. The wheels were spinning wildly. The heavy vehicle slowly rose, crossing the swamp to the cheers of the team. When faced with harsh terrain, the 266 6X6 axle lock vehicle proves to be superior. Equipped with an advanced axle lock system, the vehicle is able to evenly distribute traction, helping to easily overcome muddy or rocky roads, ensuring maximum efficiency at work. Share your thoughts, number 1, in the comments section if you are also impressed with the power and efficiency of these heavy machines.
Mana boleh.
During the scrap processing process, the Arge's 250 crusher, with its 650 horsepower engine, works hard to crush the dismantled materials. With its superior power, it easily handles stubborn scrap, creating a rumbling sound as each piece is crushed, ready for recycling.